What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today we're going to take the X7, our customer's vehicle, up to Edmond. We're going to pick up some tires, and we're going to see if these tires that we pick up are actually going to fit on the X7. Stock, they run 315, 35, 22s out back, and 275, 40, 22s up front. So the tires that we're going to pick up are a little bit bigger. Well, I should say a little bit wider, and we're going to see if they actually fit in the fender wells of this X7 big old refrigerator SUV. Before that, after we pick up the tires, we're going to take a tour of the shop. He's going to show us some of the vehicles he have up there, and believe me, there's some things up there that you might want to see, or you can actually buy if you have the money. Until then, I'll get dressed, we'll head up, and I'll see you up there.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
There's only down, and then
Golly, twin turbos.
here's that car we just got in. I took a video and I pulled it in.
That is so sick. Oh my God. I am so much love. And how much you say this one make?
This one makes 1,600. It looks pretty much stock inside, but it's got full fire suppression, everything.
Golly.
Parachute on the back, and look at the fitment.
Wow.
The fitment's wild. It's tight.
Really tight. Golly. Gotta have that perp. Oh my God.
That's a LME built motor. Makes 1,200. Big blower car.
Wow.
And this one, it had the previous IRS world record for these cars. It has a new power plant in it.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today we are taking the X7 down to Firestone. We're gonna have some new tires put on it. Come from the factory. It sits at 315, 35 22s in the rear, and 275, 40 22s up front. So we're going to replace those with these right here. So we're going to put 385 2240s up front, and in the rear, and here's somewhere. Hang on, let me flip this around. All right, YouTube, we got the 325s on. As you can see how far they stick out compared to the other ones. They're almost even with the lip of the vehicle all the way around. Here's that pattern right there, how wide they are. Good angle right there, how far they stick out. Same thing with the front. Front pretty much just even with the fender itself. So just like that, we got them on. We'll go do a couple of draggies, see if we can gain some milliseconds or if it's going to add some seconds. So we'll see. Stay tuned.